Hey class, welcome back to another week. Hope you had a good week one, getting into the swing of things with not only this class but all your other classes. In the process of getting videos put together and don't want them to be very long. I know the week one was pretty long, so hopefully you made it through that one. I don't want the rest of them to be very long, so just a quick roundup. Week two, you got your spreadsheets that we're going to go over real quick. You've got the discussion, which is going to ask you to look at the survey results that are going to be posted late Tuesday night. I want you to just answer some questions, what stood out to you, and make sure you reply to someone else to get full credit. Again, questions and conversations every week. That's where you get extra credit. Take advantage of that. It's a no-brainer. Every person in every class, so this is my 8th semester. A couple semesters I've done 2 classes at a time, but every semester the students that are regulars in the discussion on questions and conversations for the extra credit, every single person gets an A. It makes that big of a difference. So do it. Okay, let's look at the spreadsheets for this week. This week is one of the only weeks where you've got more than one spreadsheet. So you've got the value system, needs, wants, financial goals. So these 3 tabs are actually one spreadsheet. And then you've got emergency funds, budget, and get real logistics of saving are the second spreadsheet. It's the only week you're going to have more than one spreadsheet. The value system wants to go through. These are examples. This is my master spreadsheet of things. So put things here that you value, and it can be anything. As you can see here, I've got lifelong learning, education is something you value, sporting events, vacations, giving back. These are some good examples. And then obviously over here, explanation here. Needs versus wants. I'm going to define what need means to you and define what a want is to you. And then down here, your need classification. Essentially, do I feel that this is something, everyone? So let's list those 3 things of needs and wants. Further explanation. Anytime you can provide additional details, it's going to make it easier for you to get the best grade. Financial goals, what the goal is, your target completion date or accomplishing that goal date, and what that dollar amount is required to get. So, have enough savings to pay for getting an MBA, most likely from BYU. Have sufficient amount of money for a down payment on a home, and what that's going to cost you over here. Spreadsheet number 2, emergency funds. The example right now, I need $3,500 every single month. I want 6 months in my emergency, so that's $21,000. That is the example. Now this is based off of now. If you're a student and right now you only need $1,000 a month, then you only need $6,000 in your emergency fund. When working or full-time, or when you make a career change, you may need $2,500, maybe it's $5,000. Do multiplication, get there. Budget, I get asked, do I do it now as a student? Do I do it in the future when I'm working? And it doesn't matter. There's no right or wrong way to do it. The key is to do it accurately, and hopefully it's something that you use. That's the point of it. So yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. Get real logistics of saving. Talking about where your savings and how often and to what type of account. If it's a bank account, if it's into more or less, this is a way to just keep track of everything that you're doing. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Feel free to email me, text me. I'm here for you, and hope you have a great week. Thank you, class.